Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Did you know you can do calligraphy in Plasticity? That's a mouthful. Yes, you can, and that's what we're going to do in this video, right? So I'm going to go and load my reference. So I'm going to go up to the top here. We're going to go to Import Append. I'm going to jump to my desktop, and I've been playing with this, but I kind of love this letter here. I think it's pretty cool. We got that loaded. Then we're going to jump to our top view, and what we're going to do is work with curves, okay? So we have a number of curved curves and a number of straight lines, right? So we're going to start with the straight part, and we're going to get in close, grab a line, and we're going to just go around and click. And you will find out that sometimes you can't really click exactly where you want to be. Don't worry about that because you can easily adjust them afterwards, all right? So I'm just going to go down here, and we're going to go over here, we're going to go up again, go to here, and here we right click. Then we're going to go and grab a new line, and we're going to start in this corner right here, drag it down, right there. Then we're going to cross over, we're going to go up here, go down there, go here, 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 and here. And again, you can change the position of these in a second, right? So we're just going to go in here, and for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going a little bit fast, but you know, it is what it is. So yeah, then we're going to right click, there you go. Oh, we actually need one more section. We need to go from here to here and right click, okay? So we have that, and let's see what's next. We can bring in these curved type deal here. So we're going to grab that, we're going to click here, bring that in, go up. There you have it, right click. Then we're going to grab a new one, we're going to go down here. Right click, there you go. One down here. This one's going up. And here you can see we need to do some adjustments in a minute, but that's fine. We're going to right click. We're going to go in here. Probably because I'm going a little bit too fast, but you know, like I said, for the tutorial, I don't want it to take forever. Right click. Then we got a few more straight lines here. We're going to go in here, grab this guy, go up to this corner, pull that out and go down here. Right click. Let's see how we're doing over here. Let's go to face mode. Not quite there yet. So what I can do if I can't see it okay is I can just grab my reference here. This guy. Hit G to move that down. So you can kind of see where you're at, right? Okay, this is starting to look okay. So it looks like we got everything here. And we got the curved bit on the top, the curved bit on the bottom, and then this guy, right? That's fine. So we're gonna jump back. We're gonna go to our top here, get the curved line. Here, we're definitely gonna have to do some adjustments. And I'll try to get through it fairly quick. Right click, and we're going to create a straight line from this guy to here. Right click, grab a curve, start here. And adjusting these is quite easy, and I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, now you can see that this is a closed section here. It's starting to turn blue, right? We're gonna go with this guy here. We're gonna go straight down to there, there. Right click, there you go, close. Then we're gonna take this guy. Right click, straight line from here to there, right click, curve line again. And right click, take our scissors, get rid of this right here. So the general outline is starting to look okay. Last piece from here, that's actually already covered. We're going to take our curved line. We're going to go from here and at this point I'm going quite fast. Right click, another curved line. All right, then we're going to take our scissors. We're going to get rid of this line right here. Let's see if there are any other lines we need to get rid of. This one, that one, and that one. And now we can go and manipulate the vertices, right? So here we're going to grab this guy. Hang on, yeah. I'm still on the trim tool for some reason. I'm not sure why. So let's not be there. So I'm going to grab this guy, I'm going to hit G to move, right? And we're going to move it up here to get in a bit closer on that guy. Bring those two up. Hey Google, stop. Bring this in and down a bit. Bring this one out here. That one needs to connect. That one's coming down. That one needs to connect. We'll bring this in. Let's follow that. It's pretty good. Bring that out here. Bring that up. And bring this down. This is going to go over here and over here. Let's have a look. That seems to be okay. This is going to go here. This is going to go here. Let's bring this down a bit. And I'm just looking at the big adjustments right now. And of course, you'll take your time and do it accurately, all right? That's not too bad. A few little adjustments here. Okay, then we're gonna go to edge mode. And we're gonna hit J to combine them as much as possible. And I'm just selecting these guys to combine them. And it's basically just selecting them and hitting J to join. And now we're gonna see what we got, right? So at this point, I'm going to hide our reference. This is what we have. And now it's much easier to see what's connected and what isn't. All right. This is probably not going to work, but I'm going to try anyway. And now, if we can extrude the faces, then we're good. Let's see how well that will work. And I don't think it will, because you can clearly see not everything's connected yet. So I'll just have to take the time to combine it, right? And in some scenarios, they might not be connected, as you can see up here, right? So this guy, connecting that up, selecting this, hitting J, hitting J. That looks a lot better. Oops, sorry. So to make sure that the video doesn't take hours, I'm just gonna go behind the scenes, if you will, and make sure that all the curves are connected by hitting Control J, and then I'll be back, all right? Otherwise it will take pretty long. All right, so we got everything. That looks good. Maybe a little bit more tweaking. It's a bit easier to see now. So this looks okay. I adjusted that. That looks all right. Okay, so now we can select everything in face mode, right? Like this. And we're gonna make sure that this is a separate one. So let's get in close and check that. All right, so we're gonna go and connect this and this. That seems to be all right. That seems to be okay as well, and that as well. So let's try that again. Yeah, now we can select this and we can select this, and let's tweak this a little bit more. I think I use a straight line there. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this, and then we're going to combine. And if we go to face mode, and there you go. So that's all good. So I can select this, shift select this, then we're going to go and hit extrude, which will show us something like this. Then we can go and hide our curves like that. We can turn off the curves on the side there. All right, and there you have it, letter H, right? So that's how you can make 3D calligraphy letters. Yeah, it's just another thing you can do with Plasticity. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, consider subscribing, and I'd love to see you guys in the next video, right? Thanks for watching. Bye.